Flagva. Actually, Raora is the biggest cat since the tail length isn't considered in the height. If we consider the full length, Raora's tail can now also 6 more centimeters, so she's definitely a big cat. Thank you, Tatino Lawyer. Really need it. Thank you. He is always on my side. Thank you. Actually, hey, it was my birthday a few days ago. Happy birthday! I hope you can use this as your ringtone. Please. Or maybe to wake up in the morning. Wake up! Wake up! Ah! Ah! Un grosso gatto significa grossi guai! Yeah! Thank you for the spa. Thank you. Yeah.